everyone. So I decided mag-Uber na lang ako going to the Kawaguchi station para reserve natin yung energy natin going up the mountain. So good luck today kasi mainit-init na. So maya tayo magpainit para fresh pa. So right now ang suot ko, hindi ko muna sinuot yung thermal kasi ang init. So I have this jacket. So I don't know if suffice na itong jacket hanggang mamaya. Pero at least we have this. We're very prepared for like all kinds of weather mamaya. So medyo mabigat yung luggage natin. Bag luggage. Anyway, so waiting for the Uber. See you later. Bye-bye. Parang basa. I got a ticket to the 5th station for 6:40. Hi guys, so we arrived in the 5th station. There's not much people though, surprisingly. So let's explore a bit. Let's get a steak for 700. Okay. Ito lang maliit lang kasi ito naman kasha. Okay, so I got a bagel for breakfast for like 550 yen. So, okay. I added water kasi nga I have a problem with my water bladder. And I got a pull. Yay. So, right now, it's early in the morning. There's not much people. Pero people are starting to prepare, taking photos. Yeah, no? I think that's the spot for like for the start of the trail. Follow ko lang later how things will work in terms of like where to enter. So ngayon medyo nagkaka-problem ako with my water bladder kasi may somehow leak that I cannot figure out kung paano and how. So that's why I bought extra water na lang in case maubos. Hindi naman siya mabilis maubos. So yeah, let's see later. As long as I have extra water bottles na lang. Tapos I got a stick already. So, naglagaso na agad ako ng 550 because I got a bagel for breakfast, 250 for water, and then 700 for the stick. Pwede naman by credit card. Here at the 5th station, so safe pa tayo. Okay, let's go. Okay, definitely there's a lot of time when you're here down. Unless you're really doing a like a bullet climb which requires you to go up and down at a certain time. Eh, kami, we're staying in the hut. Kaya, okay lang. So we have really time. I think baka nga sobrang agaw pa dumating sa hut. If I leave now, which is, I think okay. We can just chill there for checking in. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so to be honest, hindi ko alam saan yung trail. But we'll start walking somewhere. It's a bit cold na. And let's see this. Ito lang. Medyo nakahingal na. Umpisa pa lang nahingal na. Medyo mabigat din yung bag ko. So, I don't know if it's the correct decision. I got so many water with me. Ayan. So, dito daw mag-pay ng 4,000 or your QR code. So, let's go. Medyo ma-foggy na bigla. So, should I wear my may ganito na? No? Kasi foggy na eh. Bago mag-thermal. So, sige na nga. Okay, Yoshida Trail Board. I don't understand. Okay. Flashlight along with you. Okay. Okay, so here you get the trail map. Tapos you follow lang. Ayan o, may map. So ito ata yung entrance. You see the gate over there. Tapos binigyan tayo ng ganito para siguro na you're registered. May stamp lang din dito eh, pero I don't know for what. For your notebook, ganun siguro. I don't have a notebook. So curious man. Okay, so we're starting our ascend already. So mag-Strava tayo. Wait, okay. Also, observation. Marami nang bumabalik at this time. So, siguro tomorrow, ganitong time na rin yung pagbalik. So, if you spend, kasi ngayon is 8 o'clock na. 8, the time is 8:39. So, 8:39 ng time and marami nang bumabalik. So, I'm figuring out from 5 in the morning or 4:30 because you wait for the sunrise eh. People are starting to go down. Okay, so right now wala tayong kasama. Medyo ano tayo ngayon. Ayaw natin makipag-usap. Pero later on siguro. We'll see people, we'll talk to people, and that will be it. Okay, see you guys. Okay, so maraming taong pabalik na, to be honest. And they don't look hulas. Bukas, hindi ko sure tayo kung mukha ba tayong hulas. Pero mas bukas lang fresh. Hi guys, so right now, asa mababa pa rin tayo actually. Pero so far the trail looks nice. Patag, a little more nagkakonting elevation. So I think sana ganito the whole time and mahaba lang. And starting to get really foggy and it's a bit cold pero fresh cold lang. So we go, ito pa 5th station pala. Ito yung summit. So we go like that. So, okay, so start na ng mga ascents. Medyo you feel tired already. Pero kaya pa. Hindi naman OA the ascent. Kapagod ng step. Yan. Okay, first stop. Carry lang. Nakakapagod ng slide. Pero carry lang. Dun pa. Taas pa. Ayan, every toilet break you have to pay 300 coins. So make sure you have enough 300 coins. So let's go. Love it. Ayan, medyo mataas-taas pa yung summit. You cannot see right now. Okay, so we're currently from sa Abandonason. Yan yung 6th station. And we go up to the 7th station where we're going to stay overnight. Nakapagod ng slide, but we'll just follow the path going there. We go 5.2 pa to the summit. Pero, I mean, we'll break the summit. So, right now, nakikita nyo, super foggy. So, I don't know if I'll wear my thermal na. Baka, kasi medyo malamig. So, nag-jacket na ako now. Let's see. Medyo malamig na okay lang. Pero, baka mas lighter yung weight. Wala nang nakatali sa akin. Kasi very, ano na siya. Comfortable wearing this. Okay, bye. Nakapagod. Ganda na ng likod, ang clear. Look at that. Konti na lang. Okay, finally, I think that is the station 7 now. And those are our huts. Yay! Ito rin pala yung view ng mga huts. Ang ganda din. Lapit na! Medyo I'm pacing myself. Maliliit lang yung hakbang ko. With that, nako-control ko yung take ng oxygen. Hindi ako masyadong hingal. It's a bit cold now. Pero may nakita ko kanina, naka super short shorts, like kuyukot level shorts. Tapos, ganito yung sura niya here. And merong bata, oh, ayun oh. Diba? Nakakabilib. I got my stick stamp, 500 yen. Arigatou gozaimasu. Oh, ang ganda, cute. Oh. Okay, so ngayon daw, we are here. And we go up. Dito yung ano natin. Our hut. So 3 huts from here. First hut. Ohayo gozaimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu. Hey, 300. So we get the sunrise tab 300, which is this one. Kung next, so this is the first hut. So dun tayo galing kanina where we got our first stamp. Tapos kung next, this, ayun sa taas. That's our hut. So we have enough time. Pati dito, I like to go around. At least we see and explore yung mga different hut. Okay, this is another hut, that Tomoekan hut. Okay, next hut na tayo. In fairness pa, pahirap ha. Doon tayo sa dyan. That's our hut. Pahirap ang pag-akyat. In fairness. This is our hut. This is our stuff for the day. Kuli na lang. Grabe naman to. Ang hirap. Ha? Okay. This is our hut. Yay. Oh, sobrang pagod. Kapagod, grabe. But this is our hut na. Wow, look at the view from here. Wow. See the view. Natakpan. Nandito yung lake eh. Natakpan. Kaya na nakikita yan eh. Wow. So this is the hut that we booked. Okay, this is our hut. So ito ang aming bed. Okay, so this is my room. We're guys over here inside the room. Actually, ako lang yung first here. So, tama nga. Sobrang aga ng plan ko. Which is nice. At least, I have time really to rest here. So, ganito pala itsura niya. This is the private. Ganyan itsura ng private. Ganito itsura ng group. Not sure. Or private din yan. So, yan. Ang gulo natin. Charot. So I'm changing my clothes to thermal kasi medyo malamig na. And yeah, mag-thermal na tayo para yun na yung pantulog, yun na yung pang-alis. Ang dami ng taong umaakyat. I think ganitong oras talaga umaakyat yung mga tao. Oh, kanina empty ano? Wow! Suminaw. And look at the clouds. Grabe. Okay, wow. Wala nang clouds. Pero medyo maulan pa. Pero wala nang clouds over there. And jump pack everyone. Okay, this is our hut here at the 7th station. So I think it's a good hut, yeah. But there are huts up pa. Tapos sa 8th station, there are other huts also. So, and then this is the view from the hut. Wow, yan. Ganda na. And they said in the morning, maganda rin yung ano dyan, sunrise. Wait ako pa. Okay. Okay, so hi everyone. So ngayon, we're still here at the 7th station. And we're here in our huts. Ayan, our hut. And wala akong mic, so I don't know what my audio sounds like. But, yeah. Paano ba? Okay, tingnan na lang. Para maganda yung view. And this is the view. It's so nice. So, what I can say is that I actually went very early. I don't know if it's okay or not. Pero, I mean, it's an adventure. Tapos, ang kagandahan ng pumunta dito. No. Sorry. Ang kagandahan to come here very early is that a while ago the path isn't that crowded. Ngayon, very crowded na yung path. And a lot of people are going up to the 8th station already. So, tsaka yung iba yung magbaback and forth. Kami magstay here. Pero napaago nga yung stay ko. Which is okay lang kasi I'm resting now and we don't have anything to do but to chill. May internet din, so it's nice. So if you have a book, bring a book. Tapos you get to experience this view. So ang plan is at 12 midnight, we go up to the summit. Para yung sunrise, you'll see sa taas. Hopefully. And maganda rin daw yung sunrise dito sabi. So, if you don't want to go at 12, kasi nga gabi, tas baka malamig, it's also a good spot. Okay, so, currently we're just chilling here in the ang lamig. So, ngayon suot ko may parang 80% of my outfit. Mamaya, people are here. And so ngayon it's slow moving now, going up. So I can imagine later ganyan din. People coming from the hut will start climbing up and then slow moving. Ganyan na. Compare kanina na dire-diretso yung mga ayun, super traffic na. I think they're going to the 8th station. Air traffic. It's clearing again. Yay! Daming tao, grabe. Ganda. Like all the layers, you can see clouds, layers, sun, rain, lake. You see everything now.
This cloud's coming for us, I think.
Yeah, this is the cloud just there.
It's creeping towards us.
Really, yeah. It's moving towards us. No. And then there. It's so nice. This is just so weird.
Did you say lightning?
No, I didn't.
saw lightning.
No.
Maybe you got it on film.
Because I was pointing here. Okay. Anyway, lightning. Okay, so scary. Ngayon wala na. Clouds na lahat.
Like mystical fairyland hikes. I found like stuff.
Ayan, nakita mo na yung ulan. Ayan, umuulan na. So, sana mamaya walang ulan because it will be very, very cold if it rains.
That's really nice.
Ganda. Wow.
Walking on that view. Come up on the hill.
Yeah, just one step there.
Yeah, well, I mean,
Wow. Oh, okay, we go up now. Yeah, go up to get the sunset view. Video. Hello.